Hi, welcome back to Books That You May Have Missed. My name is Janelle Williams, and today I'll be reviewing the book The Giver by Lois Lowry. This book is a book that's based in the future, so it's science fiction, futuristic kind of storyline. It takes place in a community where it's been well structured, and we find our main character, Jonas, is trying to figure out his feeling about the up-and-coming December. So we know that there's a big event that's happening in December, and we know he's feeling he used the first word, frightened, and then he went into define that, no, that's not the feeling he's feeling. And we find out as readers in that first chapter that his community, one of the things that they have, so now that it's in the future, the communities look like they're very small and very structured. And in his community, language is very important, and you have to be very precise as to what words and adjectives you use to describe how you're feeling. So while he said he's feeling frightened about the up-and-coming December, he then starts describing, no, frightened is how he felt a year ago. And he explains that there was a plane that passed overhead, and it wasn't supposed to be there, so it was out of the ordinary, and it made him frightened. You as a reader then realize that, okay, it must be very important that the language that they choose and use, and then you start thinking to yourself, or at least I did, like, why is this so important? The story takes you through how Jonas now is coming of age, and how by him coming of age, he's now examining closely the structure of his community, and does it really work? Should it still stay the same? And where should they go from that point? The giver, it's the person himself you meet chapters into the book. I think as a reader, what enticed me the most is that it was a strong lead up to, like, who is the giver and why would his name, or why would this person be so important that he be given the title of the book. Don't want to tell you too much about this book. I will tell you, however, that if you're one of those people who like the movie Logan's Run, I know they made a remix. I like the original, but the remix is out there as well. If you like the movie Logan's Run, you really, really will enjoy this story. So once again, if you would just hit like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, you'll be up on all the books that you might have missed. See you later.